Alright, big family, I need you to put your hands together. It's time for the vacation of a lifetime. Let's find it out. Come on. Y'all need to act like I can't see it. I want you to get your hands together. This is your free time to cruise around in the 17. Put your hands together for Lawrence. Carnival Breeze family, make some noise. Welcome everyone, welcome. You made it to vacation, you made it on the breeze. We are so excited to have you here. Who's excited for vacation? Yeah? Yeah. Who deserves a darn vacation? Yeah? Welcome everyone, I'm so glad you're all here. This is going to be a very, very special voyage for a few reasons. Ask me why. Ask me why. Because not only did you make it on the ship, we just have a round of applause for that. But I can see all of your smiling faces, everybody. We're so glad you're here. Everyone give me a big old smile. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. We're going to work on that, family. Woo, I'm getting excited. I got to calm down. Let me put my serious voice on. Okay. Family, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Lawrence, your cruise director. Everyone say, hey, Lawrence. Hey family, now I'm coming at you all the way from a far off mystical land called Austin, Texas. Anyone ever heard of that, yeah? Amazing, and here's the thing, I'm from Texas, right? And we do it big. Are y'all ready to do it big this cruise? Yes? Wonderful. Here's what's gonna happen, everyone. For this next voyage, next few fun-filled days, we're gonna provide everything. We're gonna provide the fun, the food, the entertainment, the games, the laughs. All you have to do, family, okay, is reach out. Reach out. Reach out and take it. If you got that, say yes, Lawrence. Yes, Lord. I said, if you're going to have some fun, say yes, Lawrence. Yes, Lord. Brilliant. Oh, I'm so rude to myself. You know where I'm from. I don't know where y'all from. So here's what we're going to do, family, okay? At the count of 3, I want you to all yell out your home state, okay? At the count of 3. Here we go. 1. 2. 3. Y'all from all over. I heard some Arkansas out there. I heard a little Louisiana. Do we have anybody from Oklahoma out there, yeah? Okay. Do we have anyone from the West Coast? They make it. What about the East Coast? Do we have anyone visiting from outside of the United States? Anybody out there? One person. Where are you from? Oh, Illinois. All right. On the first day, that's how we go. Okay, that's fantastic. That's okay. On the first day, that's fine. Did I miss a state? Okay, this is how I check this one. Y'all ready? The stars at night are big and bright. There's my Texas family. Listen, no matter where you're from, fantastic, y'all. We have something for every single person here on board, and I hope you're ready to go. Now, I just want to find out, I want to test the waters a little bit. Do we have any first-time cruisers here in the lounge? First-time cruisers, yes? Welcome. We're glad you're here. Welcome. I hope you're going to have a great time. Where are my return cruisers? Return cruisers? There we go. All the drunk ones. That's what I'm talking. No matter if it's your first time, 100th time, no matter what, you're going to have an amazing time here on board. And the great thing is we have something for everyone. Now, here's the deal. I'm your cruise director. A lot of people wonder, when are you going to be like, what's your job? What's going on? Why are your pants so tight? Listen, but that's just me, okay? We'll describe a different type of cruisers. If you can relate, just put your hands in the air. Like, for example, there's a type of cruiser. They might be in this room right now. Again, no matter where they are for the next few days, they can be in their room. They can be on the gangway getting off the ship. If they hear music, just over here. It does. Oh, there you go. Look, you said me over here. Yeah. Okay, green dress. Listen, they can be up on the Lido deck. They can be listening to the dial tone, calling guest services. It don't matter. Their hips start going like this. It really don't matter. See, you cruise like my Aunt Joyce from Houston. She does not care, okay? She's about to throw it down. I can see some of y'all can relate. Look, there's another type of cruiser right now. This specific type of cruiser is in the room right now. They have been on board for the last few hours, and they have no idea where their cabin is. They just don't know. But at the same time, they know the location of every single dang bar on the Carnival Breeze. Yeah. Right there in the front, sitting next to all the children. I love that. Come on, you better do that. Go to the all right, let's do it. First up, you'll be the whole Princess Noel. Hey. Okay, Noel, you better. Next up, everyone, make some noise for Renaissance. Make some noise for the lovely Prince, everybody. Come on, next up, party people, make some noise for their song. You do that? Y'all make some noise for the lovely Okay, and last but not least, my girl Chrissy. Come on, Chrissy. Oh, what you got, Chrissy? That was Uncle Bruno who was sitting like this earlier. He's awake, y'all. Listen, come here right now. Come here. Family, 1 second, please. Come here. I said I want you to get on stage and smile cheek to cheek. Not that cheek. Party people, this is the Incredible Fun Squad team. Can y'all give them a round of applause? Now listen, especially this being spooky season of Halloween, these are the people you want to follow around. They're going to be up early in the morning to help you get off the ship and port of call. They're going to be up late at night, helping you dance the night away. And all you need to do is take your hand like this, yeah? And when you throw it up in the air, they're going to go wild and crazy. Watch this. It's kind of cool, right? Okay, let's go over here. Hi!
Hi!
How are you? What's your name, sir?
Chris from San Antonio, Texas.
Oh, Chris from San Antonio. Perfect. Chris from San Antonio, you're going to be in charge of team 3 over here, okay? I need you to take your hand like this, right? When we throw it in the air, they're going to lose their mind. Watch.
All right, you guys ready?
Now, the game we're going to play is very, very simple, all right? I'm going to give each... Me! Okay, we're going to do it all together. That sounded like you're talking popcorn, okay? Here we go. That was the first time. Here we go. Perfect. That's the whole side back into again. Excellent. We'll get there. All right. Over here, your word is going to be take, okay? Take. That's the word. I'm going to point to your side. Let's see how you do.
Take!
All together.
Take!
Oh, very perfect.
Take!
Excellent. Perfect. Excellent. It's really, really good. Y'all give yourself a round of applause. Excellent. Now, we're going to be singing a little song together. It's actually my granddad's favorite song. He's all the way from New Orleans. New Orleans is here, right? He's what we call country. He's just very, very, very country. He actually moved in with us back in Austin during Hurricane Katrina. And I was in middle school, and I was the only one who had to move in. I roomed with a 75-year-old man while I was in middle school, y'all. I was the only kid walking around middle school singing the things like Gilligan's at the Island. Y'all ain't see that episode of George Burns and Gracie Allen last night? No? Beverly Hillbillies? No? It was a hot mess, okay? But this is one of his favorite songs from the 80s, and we're all going to sing together. Let's practice. Here we go. Okay, you gotta be ready. Here we go.
Take!
Listen one more. Fun Squad, you gotta help me. You gotta help me with the last word is on, okay? So when I point up, you're gonna yell on. Like we do this every week. Okay, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. On! Perfect! Excellent. Here we go. Here we go.
Take! 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 Take!
Stand up to your feet right now. Stand up to your feet. Stand on up. Get up now. Get on up. We're going to sing this song together. There's a little part, all right, where you're going to have a little electric piano in front of you. I need you to sing the word I sing out. Now, family, there comes a part of this song where there's a really, really big high note. And I can tell some of y'all are nervous. If you need help, looking at the gentleman, hitting the high note, there's a trick you can do. Okay, all you do is you just clutch real tight and it'll pop out just like that. Right? Okay, I think we're ready to go. We got tape, we got on, we got me. All right. Maybe y'all my man in the sound booth. Let's do it. Party people, let's do it. Okay, here we go.
I cannot hit the high one. I
No, listen, you have to communicate with the whales on the outside of the shore. It's not good with the confident things, but it was good. You just have a lot of see. Listen, little firm now, really good job, your team. So we'll work on it. The team captains are good, but who thinks because the team captains got you all living excited, they should get something really special?
Yes!
Okay,
Free pizza?
Free pizza? Oh, free pizza. You have free pizza as much as you want. This is what you're going to get, okay? From now on, you are special people on board. Because you helped your teams, because you got up, you reached out and you took the fun on the very first day. You are winning a lanyard.
Yay!
I'm just kidding, everyone. This lanyard is our entertainment VIP lanyard. Everyone say, ooh. I'm going to tell you what you're going to get. There's a prize pack, courtesy of all our fun stuff here. We're going to send it to your room. There's a bottle of wine that's going to be sent to your dining table. Chocolate covered strawberries, Princess Noel's hooking you up with the bingo package. You got melon in there and a bottle of champagne. Everyone say, ah! Check for the Walmart. You're going to love it. Also, whenever you come into the lounge, so the playlist shows in here, you do not have to hold a seat. You can come in whenever you like, and you're going to have VIP seating. It's actually right over here. Make some noise for them, party people. Listen, y'all did so good. I'm very proud of you, team captains. I want you to go and get whoever came on the cruiser and take them to your seats, okay? Somebody's in there.
When my legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't speak through all of the feet, will your mouth still remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile?
Embarkation Day over. Man, we had a hell of a good day today, though.
Yeah.
I mean, we had a ton of fun.
It's definitely a lot better cruising with a lot more people that you know.
Yeah, being how this is, just kind of an informal group cruise. We're just hanging out with everybody, having a blast, having a good time. We went to Cucina del Capitan for dinner. We decided we were going to take Dylan over there. He's never been. We've never had a bad meal there.
No.
We did not have a bad meal tonight either. Then we went over and checked out the welcome show, and look,
We got VIP.
we are VIPs! Yay! It was just cool to be picked, I guess, and to play and participate. But now we get reserved seats in the theater for all the shows. We got some champagne, some wine, supposedly getting some strawberries and some other stuff like that delivered to the room. Probably have that in here tomorrow. We'll show you guys all that. But yeah, no, this turned out to be a great first day. What do you think?
Yes, one of the better ones we've had.
Yeah, just pure fun. Just pure fun. So tomorrow's going to be a sea day. It is late, dark. We're going to go to bed and get up and do this again tomorrow.
Have some more fun.
Have some more fun. So hope everybody enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime any new videos come out that we can keep up with our antics out here on the high seas. Since don't forget, this is Halloween on the high seas. So do have some spooky stuff coming up for the 31st. We brought costumes.
Funny costume.
Funny costumes. So we are going to be dressing up, participating in Halloween parties. And Tiffany's got a little treat for the crew, but we'll go over that on Halloween. So we're going to take care of the crew and have fun and all kinds of stuff like that this week. But we're going to go to bed. So y'all have yourselves a really great night. And like always,
We'll see you out on the high seas.